here's how one corporate issue. Uh, Last month, we have been hearing that one of the top fashion company that was dissipating $1 million, $1 million throughout to build a new housing area for uh, to all Padini workers. So an article made by Miss Esther Lee from The Age Malaysia was stated it's all affected accounts has been released by Malaysian Anti-Corruption Commission (MACC). This came nearly 3 months after the apparel company disclosed 21 of its account uh, were made frozen due to anti-graft issue. While Padini has distanced itself from incident, emphasizing none of its directors, officers, employers, or representatives have been charged in connection with the investigation. Its share price has taken a beating over the last few months, falling 12.8% to a low a ringgit of 36 on June 8 from a ringgit of 56 on April 16. It was only that after the bank account was released, the share began to gain momentum. Could this be an opportunity for investors to look beyond the incident and accumulate the stock? BIMB Security Research Analyst Sabari Ahir believe that the market focus will gradually shift to Padini fundamental, but adds that the recent event involving the MACC could have some governance and reputational overheating in near terms. The key concern previously was uncertainty rather than the financial impact itself. With the account reported release and the company resuming our normal operation, investor may become more comfortable reassessing Padini based on earning prospect, cash flow generation, and dividend sustainability. That is, the episode may leave some governance and reputational overhang in near term. Institutional investor tends to be cautious until confidence is restored. Nevertheless, if Padini to deliver stable operation and there are no further obligatory regulatory issue, we expect the importance, the risk factor to diminish over time to relative of its core business functions. According to kumpulan wang persaraan KWAP, latest disposal in Padini took place on July 21st when it sold all of 58,000 shares. The direct stake in fashion retail fell to 8.59% from 10.24% on January 7, while indirect stake declined to 0.206% from 0.358%. The share was the Young family first sensation since the MACC investigation came to flood. CIMB Securities believe Padini could see retreating now that overhang has been removed and has been reiterate its buy call on the stock with the target price of ringgit 80 cents, based on the forecast 2027 PE ratio of 11.9 times. However, she does not view the fashion retailer as a pure defensive play or clear downtrading winner, pointing to a group March 2026 earning which reflected a softer and discrimination spending.